The biggest problem with AI? It lies. Despite the incredible leaps in capabilities that chatbots have demonstrated, they still have a major fatal flaw. Writes Jarrett Divinek. Recently, researchers asked two versions of OpenAI's ChatGPT artificial intelligence chatbot where Massachusetts Institute of Technology professor Tomás Lozano Perez was born. One bot said Spain and the other said Cuba. Once the system told the bots to debate the answers, the one that said Spain quickly apologized and agreed with the one with the correct answer, Cuba. Language models are trained to predict the next word, says Yilan Du, a researcher at MIT who was previously a research fellow at OpenAI, and one of the paper's authors. They are not trained to tell people they don't know what they're doing. The result is bots that act like precocious people-pleasers, making up answers instead of admitting they simply don't know. The researchers' creative approach is just the latest attempt to solve one of the most pressing concerns in the exploding field of AI. Despite the incredible leaps in capabilities that generative chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft's Bing and Google's Bard have demonstrated in the last 6 months, they still have a major fatal flaw: they make stuff up all the time. Thanks for watching, see link in description.